Belfast Maritime Consortium are doing some real world's firsts. They're developing the first viable range, high-speed, zero-emissions vessels that have ever been created. That means for the first time, the technology we're going to produce here is going to make it possible to have fast boats all around the world not polluting. We need talent in so many different disciplines, and one of our key partners is Belfast Met, who we're working with to develop the next generation of talented engineers and technicians to help us make these boats.
Obviously, we're delighted to partner with the likes of Artemis in terms of an advanced technological company, bringing new opportunities for our youth to develop high-level skills. This is a course that will begin in September of this year.
So we're delighted to be working with Belfast Met College in building these Advanced Manufacturing Engineering Apprenticeships to give the students the opportunity to both have the theoretical but also the hands-on learning of building the vessels and building this future technology.
It harks back to our magnificent shipbuilding history, so to return that kind of technology back to Northern Ireland and give our young people an opportunity perhaps hasn't been seen since their grandfather's day.